Hi guys, me Rob with Open Machine Works. I wanted to take a few minutes and just kind of do a quick video showing a process of making one of the solenoid engine parts. I have a block of material loaded up here in the mini mill too, and we have this 3/16 tip diameter 5-degree end mill, high-speed steel. Carbide was a little too expensive to play with, and what we're making we're making a new flywheel for the solenoid engine. Excuse the mess over here, but basically it has a 5-degree taper on the con rod and main shaft that interlocks on that 5-degree taper. And one of the problems I was having is a little bit of stack up error. So if we go and look at the CAD model, you can see, I'm doing this one-handed, so bear with me. Got it from the back here. And Control 7. Oh, got all weird on me. There we go. Okay, so what we have is a 5-degree taper matching into another 5-degree taper on the crankshaft. Excuse me, crankshaft. So what that does is it gives me really true run out when it's spinning, which just makes it look that much better when it's going. So there's a gap right there and right there that is fairly critical. I mean it's not super tight tolerance, but you can see that's way out compared to what the gap should be, which is 10 thousandths. I'm sorry, I don't think it's 10 thou. Maybe it is. Let's look real quick. Point. Oh, it's about 10 thousandths. So we're gonna make a new flywheel that show you on another one. They're flanged to help keep that spacing. I was getting a lot of friction on this face, and these engines don't make a lot of power, so it doesn't take much to stop them, and that was preventing it from running all that well. So I'm taking that down from a 1/2-inch flange to a 3/8 flange, which won't look quite as good when they're butted up against each other, but I will possibly reduce this one as well. So right now we need to load up this tool, which is going to be tricky with just a camera. So let's try it. So that's going to be tool 18, ATC forward. And next time I do a video on this, I will try to get a better camera setup worked out. I do have taper wiped off. So you're gonna just see these spindle wheels here for a second. Yeah, they see through my cheater tab. It belongs to the machining gods now. So we will stick that in there. The height is already set. Make sure we work the vise. Now we need to call up tool 20, which is my probe. So we're going to handle jog. Close to it and get rough center. We're going to go to, if you've never used a Haas before, the probing is awesome. So you hit edit, VPS, you'll show up here, work offsets. We're gonna do a rectangle block even though it's a square. 2, and we're gonna go down 300 thou. Send it. It doesn't look like it, but the ruby tip is getting past center. Although when you're doing a routine to find center or something where you're going from all sides, you could actually just barely clip the tip of it and it'll still find center. So now we're going to go back there. We're going to go to single surface, Z, minus 0.3. Should be close enough. I do wish that they would allow you to probe Z after you find the center or something. It'd be so nice as an option. So, that we'll go back to manufacture. Regen. And something I want to check. That's not right. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. There we go. So I want to check that yeah, so I need to do off what I typically would have cut without stock to leave. I had to take 2.4 thousandths, 2.8, oversized it, and it bottomed out on that flange. So that's good. We took 2 thou off of there. I think I already posted, but we will repost just to make sure we have all the changes caught up. Boom. I didn't just say that. Or we can just forget that I did. Alright, didn't overwrite anything. We are ready to send it. Now we are going to go to distance to go, just to make sure that we're not going to crash anything. 25% rapid, pucker factor 3. Is that right? Yeah. We're going to want to run coolant for this one so I get a good finish. I'm doing a spiral with a face mill just to make it look pretty. I didn't want to have an end mill, the tool marks from an end mill on it. What are we doing with tool 3? Right, so now we're going to do a boring operation just to leave a good finish on that flange. Spot drill. We're just going to leave it at 50%. It's kind of painful, but especially because I'm recording, I just want to make sure I don't butcher anything. We're going to rough bore that taper. Now we're going to bore out the spot for the magnet. Now we're going to interpolate it with that 5-degree end mill. We're going to flip on optional stop. It doesn't seem like it, but that was actually 2 passes. Gonna. So it's actually a pretty dang good finish on there. And what I'm going to do is grab, not that one, I'm going to grab this one. And we're going to, yeah, so you can see that gap is a lot better now. And it's not bottoming out, which is really important. So, now we're going to take that not round flywheel and we're going to make it round. It's going to get a little noisy. Is a excuse me, M3 streaker. Got a slight COVID going on. I should be able to do this try. Mostly anyways. I took it easy on it. We are going to run coolant for the finishing pass. I can't remember if I did a repeat finishing pass. Nope. And the optional stop is still on. I'm gonna throw some chamfers in there. We'll go 100% now. These tools are good. And this is just a round over tool. Made thousands of parts with this tool. I'm not even joking when I say thousands. And there is a 50% complete flywheel. Look at that. So you can see it has a fairly nice finish on the top. It could be better, but to be honest, I'm happy with that. I reduced the flange size, which should reduce friction, possibly without needing oil on that. Yeah, it's working good. I should have orders available for anybody interested on these engines in the next month maybe. It's kind of hard to say just because I'm taking my time with it and getting it right. If I can sell a reasonable number of them, I will do a pilot. Maybe we'll do a video on that. Hopefully you guys enjoy listening to me ramble for almost 15 minutes just about a single up on a flywheel. But yeah, there it is. Next up, we're just gonna flip it. I'm not even gonna record it. It'd be pointless. Take off the hat, throw that pocket in there. Done and done. Take it easy, guys.